All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. It is time to record a Pixel with a Pixel. So this is in fact being recorded with the Pixel 9, and this is the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And as you can see here, I have the Ringke Onyx in dark green on my porcelain Pixel 9 Pro XL. So this is beautiful. Been using this, checking it out. It is very nice, super grippy, and this is an option that you're gonna have for your phone if you opt to grab this case. Now, what you get? Grip. Tons of grip. The Onyx has got to be their most famous case nowadays because of all the grip. So you have a little bit of branding right here on the side. You got a spot for a lanyard and another spot for a lanyard on that side. On this side, nothing for the buttons, but all grip. On this side over here, you've got volume rocker and power, extra grip. On the top here, make sure those microphone holes and everything is cut out right there. You see that right there? Make sure that's cut out. On the bottom here, make sure all these ports are cut out. Make sure you do it. And so then we flip it over here. You get into the device, boom. You've got a lip around this case here to protect the phone if you lay it down flat. Now I have a tempered glass I've been testing out. And I don't really like it, so I'm probably going to take it off, but there is a tempered glass on here. So this case can work with pretty much any kind of tempered glass as long as it's put on properly. You can see the camera housing now is deeply recessed as I turn right here. Look at that. Now let's check out wireless charging. Power up the wireless charger. I'm gonna pop it on. Some of you guys love to see this. Boom, it starts charging right away. Just want to center it for you. It is charging. And there you have it, folks. I have a link to the description to this, but we're not done. We're not done. Here's the packaging that it comes in. And now let's check out this black version of the Onyx. Ooh. Beautiful. You know, black goes with everything. Look at that. Ooh, that's a great combination. The black and green. Oh, man. No, I'm not an Eagles fan anymore, but yeah, man, this is a pretty nice setup. So there you have it, folks. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Link to purchase the Onyx is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.